Hi there! Sunny is hosting a birthday party for his friend. He has many ice cream cones all filled with ice cream. Each cone has a base radius of 3.5 centimeters and a slant height of 20 centimeters. Sunny has to wrap these cones in paper. For this, he wants to know how much paper he would need to wrap each cone completely. But how? It's simple. We know that the amount of paper required to cover one cone is the total surface area of the cone. So, we just have to find the total surface area of this cone. Let's say that the cone has a radius r, height h and slant height L. If we cut open the surface of the cone like this, we see two plane figures. One of them is a circle of radius r. This is the flat surface of the cone. And when we cut open the curved surface, we get a part of a circle that looks like this. We call this a sector. Now, if we observe the sector carefully, we see that its radius is equal to the slant height of the cone or L, and the length of the curved boundary or arc is the circumference of the base circle of radius r. Hence, this is 2 pi r. Now the question is, how do we find the area of this sector? If we divide the sector into many small triangles like this, we see that the sum of the areas of all these triangles is equal to the area of the sector. And if we arrange these triangles like this, we get a figure very close to a rectangle. Notice how every alternate triangle has been flipped so its base appears opposite to the base of the previous triangle. And so, the area of the sector will be nothing but the area of this rectangle. Let us now look at this rectangle. The width of this rectangle is L. That's the radius of the sector. And its length? If we look carefully, the arc of the sector has been divided into two equal and opposite sides of this rectangle. So, the length of this rectangle is equal to half of the length of the arc. The length of the arc is 2 pi r as it is the circumference of the base circle. Hence, the length of the rectangle is 2 pi r. Now, we can get the area of the rectangle, right? It is nothing but pi r times L or pi r L, which is nothing but the curved surface area of the cone. And we know the area of the base of the cone. It is pi r squared. So, on adding pi r L and pi r squared, we get the total surface area of the cone. And don't worry if the slant height L is not known. If the height h of the cone is known, we can easily find the cone's slant height using the relation L squared equals h squared plus r squared. Let's look at Sunny's ice cream cones again then, shall we? They have a slant height of 20 centimeters and a radius of 3.5 centimeters. Substituting these values in the expression we just derived gives us the curved surface area as 220 square centimeters and the total surface area as 258.5 square centimeters. Now, Sunny knows that he needs 258.5 square centimeters of paper for each cone. Oh look, he's already off to buy paper. Well, I have to go too, but I'll see you soon again. You keep practicing. Bye.